Ito yung una kong suggestion on what leaders can do to facilitate problem solving and decision making. And that is to maintain transparency. Pag sinabi nating transparent, there are two sides to it, di ba? Two ways siya. You are transparent because people see where you're coming from, di ba? Yung perspective mo, how you view a problem. The other side of transparency is you are open to recognize, acknowledge other people's perspective of the problem. So ang isang leader ay nagki-create ng culture where people are not afraid to share their thoughts, their observations, and their ideas. Mahalaga yan kasi sa Filipino culture, mahirap yan gawin. Because people are often afraid of their bosses and feel that it is disrespectful to tell their boss what they think. And madalas may mga boss din, ganun din mag-isip. Takot yung mga tao magsabi kasi hindi welcoming yung leader or yung boss sa ideas ng iba. So you should be willing to be vulnerable. Because what are the chances na ikaw yung nag-cause ng problema? That it is your own doing that led to the problem. Importante na hindi tayo defensive as a leader. That's how we also maintain our transparency. Listen to the voices of your stakeholders because that gives you an opportunity to see things from different points of view that rids yourself of your blind spot. I hope this helped and abangan nyo pa yung 3 ko pang suggestions.